In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Monday.com board with Slack. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure that important updates and notifications from Monday.com are effortlessly sent right into your designated Slack channel. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open your Monday.com board. Take a moment to navigate to the specific board you intend to link with Slack. This is crucial because each board serves as a unique workspace, and you'll be setting up this integration with a particular board in mind. Once you have your board open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find a button labeled Integrate. Click on it to open up the Integration Center. This is your gateway to connecting Monday.com with a variety of other applications, but today we'll focus on Slack. Inside the Integration Center, you'll find a search bar. Go ahead and type Slack into it. This action will bring up the Slack integration provided by Monday.com, making it easy for you to locate. Click on the Slack integration to explore the options available. You will be presented with several automation recipes, which are predefined actions that help streamline your workflow. Popular choices include sending a message to Slack when a status changes, posting in a Slack channel when a new item is created, or notifying in Slack when a due date arrives. Choose the recipe that best suits your needs by clicking Add to Board. This step is vital as it effectively links the chosen automation to your Monday.com board. Next, let's connect your Slack account. You will see an option to connect. Click on it and you'll be prompted to sign into Slack. Ensure you authorize Monday.com to access your workspace. This authorization step is essential for enabling communication between the two platforms. After logging in, it's time to designate a specific Slack channel for your notifications. Choose the channel where you want these updates to appear. This choice ensures that pertinent information reaches the right people at the right time. Now, we move on to configuring the integration. Here, map the fields from Monday.com to the corresponding sections in your Slack message. This could include the item name, status, due date, assignee, and more, ensuring that your Slack messages contain the information you deem necessary. Additionally, customize the triggers and conditions to suit your workflow. This customization allows you to refine how often and under what circumstances notifications are sent. Finally, when you're satisfied with your setup, it's time to activate the integration. You'll see an option to either click Activate or Save. Doing so will launch the integration, enabling it to automatically send messages and updates to Slack based on the configurations you selected. And there you have it. You're now equipped to keep your team instantly updated through Slack, streamlining communication and enhancing productivity. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and I hope you find this integration to be as efficient and effective as intended.